Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you that will transform your makeup game in just 1 minute. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own foundation and lipstick using simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Get ready to slay that flawless look without breaking the bank. First up, let's dive into creating our own dye foundation. You'll need 3 main ingredients: cornstarch, cocoa powder, and your favorite moisturizer. Mix these together until you achieve your desired shade and consistency. Now that we have our homemade foundation ready, let me share some application tips to achieve that flawless complexion. Start by prepping your skin with a moisturizer and primer. Then use a damp beauty sponge or a foundation brush to evenly apply the DIY foundation onto your face. Make sure to blend it seamlessly for that airbrushed finish. Who doesn't love a fabulous lip color? Get ready to create your own custom DI lipstick using just 2 ingredients: coconut oil and your favorite eyeshadow or blush shade. Mix them together and voila! You have your very own personalized lipstick. Now that we have our homemade lipstick, let's move on to application. Prep your lips by exfoliating gently and moisturizing. Then, apply the DI lipstick using a lip brush or your finger. Don't forget to define the edges for that perfect pout. So there it is. On how to perfectly do it yourself, lipstick and foundation tutorials,